name is Leenya. Many people tell me I think too much. I live with my family in the jungle of Suriname. We call ourselves Bush Negroes, one of the largest groups of many different peoples who live in my very small country. I learned in school that Suriname is the Commonwealth of the Netherlands in South America, way up high on the map. It is warm all year round, so we need very little clothing. Many times I think of our ancestors captured in Africa, which is across lots of water, even much more than in our river, and brought to Suriname many years ago to work as slaves on plantations. When I think if I had been living then, I might have been sold like a piece of cloth. But many of our people were very brave and ran away and fought for their freedom against the plantation owners until peace was made. Then my people began to live here in the jungle, just like they had lived in Africa. They built their houses from wood and palm trees, some plain, some painted, alongside a river in the jungle. I always listen carefully to our captain and am most anxious to learn the many things which our elders decide in their very important meetings. Our medicine man is so very kind and helpful, even to children like me. There are many good things about the warm and moist climate of our jungle. Coconuts are everywhere. Their water is so cool. Their meat is so good. Many sweet fruits grow on the jungle trees. What fun it is to discover them. Everywhere are flowers, so very, very beautiful. My father clears a place in the jungle for my mother's garden. Then I help plant rice, peanuts, sweet potatoes, and cassava. My mother has taught me how to get rid of the poison of the bitter cassava. First, we peel it. Then, we grate it. And stuff it into a long basket and hang the basket up with stone weights to stretch it and squeeze the poison out. Then to make the flour, we mash it, put it through a sieve, and make it into cakes. After these are cooked, we have our delicious cassava bread. In the cool of the early morning, my father sits by the fire with my brother and tells him many things about how to become a man. My brother can hardly wait to grow up and hunt for food. But my father says he must be patient. I have learned a woman's work, sweeping and cleaning, taking care of the babies. Washing clothes and the pots and pans. Much of the time, we live and play in our wonderful river. Our bush Negro men love to carve our fine woods and make beautiful things. My father works in the lumber mill to earn money for things we cannot grow. When I'm a little older, he will buy me a lovely hammock. Then soon, a pony blessed by our elders. And some handsome young boy will give me a comb, which he has made, to tell the whole wide world that he loves me. We have many festivals, and always our music and dancers are exciting. I think how free we are to be so happy. What a wonderful thing is our river. I love to paddle in the smooth waters. But against the current, it takes a long, long time. A little while ago, my father bought a motor. Now our whole family can dress up and go in our canoe very fast to the central town to buy things we cannot grow on our land. Our government has a canoe bus to take us to school in the town where we have many friends of many different colors. Here, there are new doctors and a hospital. Our captain tells us that we must go to school and even college to learn things that will help us. These things may move us away from our village into the big city to work, or to be doctors, lawyers, even government representatives. We must never forget how important and noble we bush Negroes are, how we fought until we had our freedom. Many times when I hear our national anthem and think of all the people in my country, Amerindians, Dutch, Chinese, Hindustanis, Japanese, Creoles, and I think our bush Negro villages and all of our country will always be peaceful, our rivers full of water, our jungle full of flowers and trees and sweet fruits. I am so happy with our life in the free and beautiful Suriname. I do not think I think too much.